guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for printable art and posters, businesses and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, if you wanna build with Wix editor, you have to start from here. Okay, so now as you see, you can start with chat AI. So it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. So you have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and you can easily and quickly set up your website. Also, you can go to basic setup. You can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. Now you can enter your business type. Now enter your business type. Okay, now as you see, you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so as you see now, you have to add your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product or dropshipping product or services? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell your mobile app or in person or marketplaces and social media or online store? Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so as you see now, you can go to design the site. So how do you like to design websites? If you want, Netflix creates a site for you, and if you want to customize design templates, so for me, I'm gonna start from here. So let's get started. Wait a few seconds. Okay, now you can add your information, your name, your business name, your email, your address, your phone, and also you can add a social link. So let's continue. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. You can try your best to make your site look attractive. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the fonts. So it's more important to make your site looks attractive. Okay. Now wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now you're gonna pick your favorite homepage design. Okay. Um, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Okay, now you can add page to your site. You can skip all this and customize them later. So let's continue. Now you're gonna wait a few seconds for preparing the homepage design and adding your page. Okay, before publishing the website. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. So you don't have to change everything, you can just quick edit, quicks. So first here you can add elements, you can add sections, you can manage pages and menus, you can design the site, you can add apps, you can manage your businesses. So first of all, you can add elements here, you can start from the text, you can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs. Also here you can upload images. You can explore images free from Wix, free Wix illustrations. You can customize also the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons, the payment buttons. Also here you can customize the decorative, you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. If you want to add something new, you can just click here and you can select what your what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. Just select the style, whatever you like. You can change the style, the layout, and also if you want to change and customize your site design, you can change the color theme, the text theme. Okay, wait a few seconds. So as you see, you can customize the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. Okay, now let's move on to the first section. Here we have the header section, so you can do quick edits. For example, if you want to edit your site name, you can also manage the menu, the horizontal menu. Now let's move on to the next section. So the same thing here, you can change the section in the background, the strip background, the title, the paragraph. So for example, if you want to change the title, just click on it and you have to create AI text. Okay, I can insert information to include here and it's gonna create it for you easy and quick. You can make it shorter if you want. You can generate another one if you don't like it. So that's it. If you want to change the text or if you want to change or edit the text, you can first you have to change the style and change the font. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on now to the next section. So this is the product section. So you have to manage your product, you have to create your product first. So wait a few seconds. Okay, you have to add new product, physical or digital file. Okay, let's go with physical product. Now you have to add the title of your product. You can add images and videos. Also you can add product information, the name and the description. You can customize the price and options. You can turn this on and customize the discount and the sale price. Here you can customize the inventory and the shipping. You can turn this on and customize the inventory and the shipping weight. So that's it. After you're done, you can save this place and go back to complete design. So that's it. This is about section. As you see, the same thing as normal. You can create another AI text and describe what you want in your text. It's gonna create it easy and quickly. So as I said, don't forget the simple details, and you don't have to change everything here, just the simple details like the colors. Okay, for example this one, it's much better. Now let's move on to the next section. So this is the future section. As you see here, the same thing as normal. You can change the strip background, the color. So these simple details make your site look attractive. Now this is the last section here, the future section. So you have just to edit something here like the mail, your email and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also you can save this editor page from here. So that's it. After you're done, you can publish your website. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.